Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to explore Benalmádena, another spot on the Costa del Sol, very popular for tourists.
Very popular for tourists, yeah. We only walk by one little area and it's very touristy.
Yeah, to be honest, it's given Tenerife vibes,
yeah.
very much so. Well, I knew it was going to be like, full of Brits and stuff, but so far it's beautiful.
It's stunning, yeah.
Very touristy,
in the
but
port area at the moment.
Yeah, so we're going to see what we can do here.
Give you some recommendations, hopefully, if you're thinking about coming over.
And show you around, as always.
Get churros.
Yeah, that's one thing. We need to get churros because if you've seen last videos, we've been on the lookout for churros for a few weeks now.
Yes.
But it just never happened.
We
so,
either are too full to get churros, and last week when we went over to
there was no churros at all.
Which was in the last video, they didn't have any churros.
So yeah, but I feel like this place will have churros. If anything, this is the spot for churros. So yeah, we're gonna show you around. We're on the port at the moment, or the marina. I don't know what they call it, but yeah.
Where the boats are.
Yeah. So this is the marina, as they call it, and all the way over there, it's literally just shops, upon shops,
Knick-knack shops, restaurants, drinks.
Yeah, pretty much everything. So I see the appeal.
So when we were walking in, and beside all the knick-knack shops, restaurants and all of that stuff, there's also like one of those booths where you can buy your boat trips and stuff like that as well.
Oh yeah, there's loads of them, like them excursions.
So again, it's kind of like
places.
Tenerife, wherever you go, there's always
and also
booths. That's what it looks like.
And also, I just noticed a Ferris wheel here. I'm just gonna flip it around. So you can't see it.
I think we should go on it. Chris is not a fan of heights.
Yeah, if there's anything to know about me, I just hate heights, but I wasn't like that.
To get him to do the zip line
and skydiving and all sorts, but
yeah, we wanted to do the cable carts as well, but we're quite far away from them, so we will see maybe on the way back.
Yeah, we can even drive over and then give that a go, because that's a must do as well when you're here. So yeah, we're just gonna look around, but the Ferris wheel is looking nice. But yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but I just developed this massive fear of heights. As I'm growing older, it's just bigger and bigger.
I'm scared of it though as well. But
she jumped out of a plane recently, so
well, not that recently.
About a year ago.
Skydive. I love to do it because I did it in Ireland, and we were waiting for literally hours and hours for the sky to clear up because it was just too cloudy to jump basically. But I would love to do it in a nice sunny country with really nice views.
Yeah, you can do that. I'll watch.
So maybe I'll convince Chrissy to do it one
day. No, because we did parasailing or paragliding.
Paragliding, I think, yeah.
It's the one where the boat is dragging you on the whatever it is, and I almost passed out. I was this close to passing out.
But that was really high. I almost found that scarier than the skydive, because in the skydive they kind of push you out and you're kind of
in
just
the air.
falling in a way. But with the parasailing, you're kind of looking down the whole time.
Yeah, but that was the closest I've ever been to passing out in my life. So would I do it again?
High, though. The boat was so small when we were up. Again, right beside the Ferris wheel, there's loads of the stands to book your boats, your trips, and stuff like that.
This port is massive.
The port is really big, and it's gorgeous.
I think it's double Porto. So we secured the tickets. It's €10 each, so not too bad.
Per adult, yeah. Kids were a little bit less.
7 or 8. So yeah, we're gonna go on it.
She is.
So yeah, we're about to do that.
Well, we're going up.
We're already going up, and it's only us and another couple there, so it's not.
Yeah, in the whole.
I thought it would have been so busy, but it's not.
I think maybe it's still quite early. Well, I mean it's 12.
For Spanish time, it is.
But in Spain, it feels like everything is just there, at night time.
Yeah.
And I will show you the views. Wow. Look how nice. This is so nice. Whoa, we're so high up now. Are you scared, Chrissy?
No. Oh, actually, no.
No, and there's the beach on the other side, which we haven't actually seen. And now we can see. Oh, people are doing paddleboarding. That's another thing I really want to do. Fall down. Yeah. And the town behind us. I think we're going up one more time, so you can go up with us. It's so nice. You can see the little boards and the paddle boards, and obviously the full town behind us as well. We went around once and it stopped on top, for like a little bit, not long, maybe about 10-20 seconds.
Yeah.
And now we're going around again. If anyone wants anything specific for us to do and show,
Let us know.
let us know. I don't know.
Give us a shout.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we'd like to do something and we're just not too sure exactly what. So. We're up on the top now. There's
My phone's about to.
other view the other way. Whee! And we're on the very top. Oh, what do you think of that?
What would I rate it?
Yeah.
Out of 10. I would give that. That was probably one of the nicest Ferris wheels I've been to, and I've only been to 3 to be fair, so
Yeah.
I am a bit biased, but that was a solid like 8 out of 10.
Really, yeah. I'd kind of rate it like an 8.5, 9.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
really,
strong.
yeah, I really
It
enjoyed
feels
it.
very secure, very stable.
Yeah, it
modern
wasn't
enough
swaying
as well.
much. It wasn't
And the views
anything.
the
Yeah,
views are
and
great.
it wasn't
So,
too
yeah,
pricey either, I suppose.
definitely recommend it. Price is a 6 out
It
of
was,
10.
yeah, it wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. They do
then
also
again-
have a group price for 5 people. This ice cream place here was one of the recommendations, so we might try it if we don't find churros.
Yeah.
This is the beach here on this side that we were showing from the Ferris wheel.
So yeah, loads of people. The beach is looking nice to be fair.
The beach is looking nice.
Don't want to get people in it, but this is probably the only opportunity I get to show you. But yeah, loads of like markets, as you'd expect, and loads of these, as you can see. So first impression,
I like it. It's very touristy.
yeah,
Um,
a little bit too touristy, I think.
but then, I mean, we're part of the crew.
Yeah, we're part of the crew.
Um,
Would I come here on a holiday? Probably not. Would you?
Not really, because this is giving me like Tenerife vibes.
Yeah, but we love
Not
Tenerife.
fully.
Yeah. See,
Yeah.
what we love about Tenerife is there's 3 spots. Like you have the really like nice and quiet Adeje area, and then this just reminds me of Las Americas. If that makes sense.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
So yeah, that's why we do love Tenerife.
But it is really nice. The views
Yeah.
are really nice. The beach looks great. It looks like there's loads of restaurants. Now we didn't try anything yet.
Not
just yet.
yet.
So we don't know if it's nice or not. But there is loads of restaurants, loads of cafes, loads of like knick-knack shops.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot to do.
Yeah.
No, it is really nice.
So we haven't
Yeah,
obviously explored anything just yet.
I would love to get in the sea today. It's so hot.
We haven't had a beach day yet.
So yeah, and this
Which
seems
is
like
an issue.
it's gonna be a beach spot. Maybe not. I don't know. But now this area is really nice. I'll show you. Massage at the beach. Yeah, this looks gorgeous.
There's a good few restaurants right at the
Yeah,
beach.
if you want to grab some food, there's no shortage of restaurants. But yeah, look, it is beautiful. Burros.
Okay, we found it.
This area is just so nice. You know what? It's grown on me. This area is really nice, yeah. I'm enjoying it. Well, this looks like a never-ending strip, to be honest. Does this connect to Torremolinos? I don't know.
Say, I think it might.
If you do know, let us know.
Every place we've been to so far has, what are those called? The walkway strips right at the
The
beach.
strips, yeah.
So Estepona had it, Marbella.
Well, what they want to do is connect, I think. What is
the
it?
whole Costa del Sol,
Yeah.
they want to connect the full thing so we can walk all the way,
Yeah,
basically.
nice.
Another beautiful restaurant right at the beach. This is what it's called. And it looks beautiful. Again, we haven't tried any food or any drinks just yet.
Saying that, I'd love a drink now.
We can stop for a drink.
If you're looking for all the excursions, I think this would be a really good spot. Whereas I wouldn't really say that about Marbella and Port Benus.
I mean,
at
there
least
is, there still is stuff that
There
you
is
can book.
absolutely, but I feel like this is the spot for it. I don't know, that's just my
Yeah.
opinion though. So
I think
that
it'll
with
be
a grain of salt.
easier anyway.
Yeah,
Now, saying that, we haven't tried booking anything either here or in Marbella. So,
no. But today would be a really good day for jet skis.
yes.
It's flat as a pancake.
And there is a few jet skis out there actually.
And just a boat trip in general.
Yeah.
So yeah, so far so good.
So we have pretty much walked all the way to Torremolinos. Don't know if we'll be
According
able
to
to
the
see
map.
it on the map
Yeah,
potentially.
actually, yeah, apparently
Maybe
so.
not. But yeah, and
No.
that only took us like 15 minutes.
That was not 15 minutes.
Surely it was about 20 minutes max.
True.
We were strolling as well, but yeah, it seems like you can keep walking all the way around there, which we're not going to do today anyway.
No, we want to explore Benalmádena.
Yeah,
we kind of come back here as well. So. Just here have been some of the nicest we've seen so far.
I think so, and they're sandy beaches, by the way.
Yeah, so really nice. Would recommend the beach. If you want a beach day, even if you're down in Marbella, it's probably worth coming up. We might actually do that one of these days.
We might actually come here one
It's nice for a day out, and now we're in some sort of a town area.
It's basically one street over to the beach.
Yeah.
So we're still very much at the beach.
Yeah, again, it's your usual shops, knick-knack shops, restaurants, cafes, all of that. So, just gonna have a look around here. Judging by all the magnets, I think we're in Benalmádena. So I am enjoying the aircon right now, not gonna lie. I picked the wrong day to wear like a full-on shirt, but hey. She warned me, by the way.
What?
But I still ended up wearing the shirt. And it's a hot day.
Yeah,
I was
it's
just
long
saying.
sleeve shirts.
Yeah.
A dark shirt in 25 degrees.
Ah, sure, look.
Oh, maybe one of those.
That
My
one.
mum basically collects teacups, but like she likes like a proper teacup, you know, but they're just too big to bring around. So I always get her like one of those little ones.
Nice. That's the chosen one, I think. Chosen teacup.
Yeah. So we got the churros, and they're like massive strips, and we got chocolate with it, but it's actually just hot chocolate drink. So it's not really satisfying the churros craving just yet.
No,
Not yet.
So we're just off at the marina, and there's a shopping centre here as well. There's a car park also, and we're not exactly sure what's in the shopping centre, but just
random shops.
yeah, just random little shops like this one, which we're gonna go into. Anyway, that's the shopping centre. Nothing interesting in there, to be honest. A few shops.
And
Bless you.
bathrooms.
And bathrooms, and Bob's your uncle. And this is where we parked. Did you find a parking ticket?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, she did. $5.85.
We have came up to the cable carts. Cable carts are literally just there if you can see them. The car park is there where that silver car is. I don't know if you can
It's
see
a
that,
massive
but
car park as well, so
huge car park, and it was pretty much empty, to be fair, wasn't it?
I wouldn't say empty, but like it, yeah.
We didn't notice it earlier, but there is like an aqua park, so if you're into that kind of stuff as well, you can check it out.
Good one to check out.
Yeah, maybe with like kiddos or something.
Yeah.
Right, so we paid $45.80 for 2 adult tickets, and it is kids under 3 and under 1 meter tall. They can get in for free. We are in.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
My
Oh, the
ears. If you have motion sickness like me,
Oh, you want like this one, so.
boy, oh,
Another
she's
Ferris wheel there.
moving. We made it.
Yes.
It's actually on like the very, very top part of the mountain. So we're just pulled up there on the right, and we have a beautiful view. So we are attempting to go up a little bit more.
A bit of a hike.
Yeah, there's loads of hiking trails apparently. Well, not loads, a few. We are just going up to the left just to go up a little bit for a little hike. And then there's more trails on the right hand side.
Yeah, there's meant to be trails for all sorts of like, what you call it, levels. So I don't
Yeah.
know which one is the easiest or which one's the hardest, but there's
Yeah.
meant to be one for like every level apparently.
I don't know if you can see people just on this little one there. Big steps though. We're a little bit scared to go all the way up because you can go all the way up that.
Yeah, all the way up there.
Yeah, but it is a bit slippy, so we're not prepared really with our shoes now, are we?
No, not at all.
There's a full map with all the trails that you can take.
Yeah, see, there's loads.
Yeah, and how long they are. So there's like,
circular or lineal.
yeah, there's 3 kilometers, 6, 4, 4, 5, 1, and it shows you like on the map which way they go as well. In this little hut here you can get food and drinks, and then there's loads of like picnic spots that you can just come up for a picnic. You can actually spend a full day here, can't you?
Yeah, I'd say so. Absolutely.
Look how nice.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, the views are really nice. I'm glad we came up, are you?
Me too, absolutely. I would recommend it, even though it's pricey enough. But...
Do you know what? It's pricey, but you can literally spend ages here if you are up for hiking.
Yeah, and it's kind of like not a one in a lifetime, but like you wouldn't do it often. Do you know what I mean? So.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. No, I rate this one.
What do you rate it?
Oh, like a solid 9 out of 10.
Solid 9 out of 10 for me as well.
Yeah, I really like it. Now you need to be careful because there's been people with kids walking around and the kids were proper slipping and like falling down, and you're right at the edge.
Maybe put hiking boots on them if you are bringing
hiking boots. I think would be really nice here.
Yeah.
And by the way, you can take pictures there, and they print it out for you as well. So I'm not sure how much they are. And here is the food bits. So pizzas, drinks, monsters, hot dogs, crepes, wafers.
And one of them mad calipos as well.
Mad calipos as well. Ice creams, yeah, the ice cream's up on there.
Did they do a sunrise one of these? That would be unreal.
Oh, that would be really cool for a sunrise or a sunset here. More benches, picnic spots, and all that jazz. Guys, oh my god, what the that launched us down the hill. Oh my gosh. Oh, my motion sickness is hitting me right now. Anyway. Now, mine is our reflection at the back. No, I wouldn't do that. We're going back down, so here's the view from the other side now. I mean, it is stunning.
Yeah, beautiful.
The reflection is just in the back.
I know.
So apologies for that. Right, so we're finished.
So that's that for today's video.
Yeah.
What would you rate today?
Overall, I'd say 8.5, minus 1.5 because of churros.
Yeah, I would rate it an 8 out of 10.
Oh yeah, what's the minus 2?
The churros minus 1, and the half is that we didn't get to explore all of it. So
yeah, to be fair, that's our own fault though. I feel like there's so much more that we could do.
We accidentally walked into Torremolinos, and most of the part that we explored was actually a different area.
Pretty much, yeah, because we kept just walking. Sorry, we kept just walking along the beach, which was gorgeous.
We just explored the strip really today.
Yeah,
so
that's it. So we might need to come back. Yeah, I would come back.
I'd come back as well. I'd recommend it as well.
Yeah, I'd recommend it if you're coming for a holiday or whatever. I'd recommend it. People speak English, which is nice for, you know. But the one thing though, like is it still start of May? Middle of May now? Middle of May, I suppose.
Yeah.
And it is packed.
Yeah, it's
with
a very
tourists.
popular spot. Yeah. So
Huge,
don't expect a quiet one because there's a lot of people.
Definitely, at least not by the beach where we were today.
But look, if you're looking for some good food,
nice
things to do,
sunshine
for the kids as well, I'd recommend this. So,
yeah.
So
yes, that's it from us for this week.
And if you want to see more of us exploring the Costa del Sol, Spain, or just to see what we're up to, maybe subscribe, maybe not. If you don't,
just let us know.
Let us know what you want to see. Yeah.
And again, if you're someone that knows us, just don't tell us.
Yeah.
Don't tell us.
No, don't tell us. That's right.
Alright, bye. See you next week.
See you next week.